Hi friends, welcome back to Storytime with Miss Katie. I'm excited to read you a story today that has a dog as its main character. The title of today's story is A Beach Day for Hannah. This is Hannah. She is the character in our story. All right. The title is A Beach Day for Hannah. And the person who took these pictures and wrote the story is Linda Petrie Bunch. Let's see what adventure Hannah goes on today. Hannah, the mountain dog, looked down at the beach. The sand and the ocean were just in her reach. She bounced down a path, the wind in her hair, and took a long look at the birds in the air. Can you see the birds flying in the air? The curious pup climbed up on a rock, but she didn't know she was in for a shock. She took a big leap and dove into the sea. With ears and paws flying, how cold could it be? Hannah made a big splash, then swam a dog paddle. The water was chilly. It made her teeth rattle. Look, she's swimming in the water. Out of the water, shaking and soggy, she licked off her lips a wet, salty doggy. Hannah wrapped herself up in a bright-colored towel, then got an idea and let out a howl. She started to dig with a shovel and pail and ran in a circle, wagging her tail. A tiny blue bucket got stuck on her nose. She danced and she wiggled from her head to her toes. Using her beach toys and working alone, she built a dog castle shaped into a bone. Hannah hid in a fort that she made from bent sticks. Gathering driftwood was one of her tricks. A boy with a board had on a black suit that covered him up from his head to his boot. She swam through the water, jumped on a surfboard. She was riding big waves, a thrilling reward. Hannah got tired. It was time for a snooze. She dreamed of a hammock and imagined a cruise. She woke in a daze and gazed down the shore, then noticed some boats and ran to explore. Hannah found a small ship with sails flying high. She climbed on the deck and barked a goodbye. Look, Hannah is on the boat. But soon it got cloudy and windy and cold, and rainy and stormy. She had to be bold. She sailed to the shore as fast as she could. She climbed up and sat on a big piece of wood. After the shower, Hannah let out a sigh. A rainbow appeared right out of the sky. Down to the water at the end of the day, the ocean was quiet. The birds flew away. In silence, she watched the bright setting sun. Hannah's day at the beach had been lots of fun. Hannah had quite a day at the beach. What is one thing Hannah did today at the beach? Can you remember? What's something that Hannah did while she was at the beach?